Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Vilash and I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. And as expected, as discussed, gold was in a range on Friday. Usually Fridays can be scary because of profit booking. We see a lot of craziness, a lot of unexpected moves on Friday, and Fridays also fry a lot of accounts. But we discussed, okay, and we expected also that okay, there would not be any crazy moves because market is in holiday mode right now, and this holiday mode is about to continue for the next few days till the first week of January. After the first week of January, you can expect the volatility to be back again because okay, the the bankers, the traders, okay, will be back in action. Okay, but as of now, you can expect the moves to be limited. But one more thing that you need to keep in mind is that okay, when there is low volume in the market, there can be market manipulation as well, because low volume markets are easier to manipulate. So if you see some crazy spikes in the market, don't be surprised. Okay, this is the main reason I suggested everyone, okay, if you want to trade right now in this period, okay, you can trade, but do not go for big lot sizes. Okay, be careful. And this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. To be honest, okay, not much to discuss right now because gold is trading in a range and gold will be trading in a range. So when okay, we see limited movements, okay, then obviously the trading opportunities are also limited. Okay, now if you look at the economic calendar, we can see that we do not have any major news also. Okay, uh, before the Christmas. Okay, we have some news coming up, but okay, do not expect that it can be a trend changer. Okay, it will bring a lot of volatility. Okay, before Christmas, okay, market should remain like this. So you can see, okay, we more or less, okay, we have the same levels marked here. Okay, yesterday, okay, also we discussed the same, and today also, okay, we will be discussing the same one because the range of the market has not changed. We okay, we also discussed this dotted line here on 4041. We discussed that okay, if market reverses, okay, then we can look for a sell. But you can see on Friday when market hit the line, okay, volume was quite high. Okay, so this level around 4041 is no longer valid. So on Monday, the market opening is going to be important for all of us. Not very important, but yes, important. Okay, why? Because there should not be any crazy amount of volume and we don't have any news also. Okay, so after the market opening, if you see gold is going down, okay, you can look for a buy around 43253. This is the level where I can look for a buy position. Why? See, on Monday we are expecting low volume at the market opening. If market behaves according to expectation, okay, this is the level where we can look for a buy position. Why? Because low volume market should get support around this area. 432523 is not a proper support, but due to low volume, there is a possibility that as a day trader you can score 30 to 40 pips around this area. If it takes support, okay, you can look for a small buy, small bounce around this area. But in case if market breaks it, for example on Friday we saw when market was around 4340, volume was quite high, so it was a clear indication that okay, we should not trade, okay, or we should not sell. So here if you see a similar scenario, if you see the market is standing at 4323 with a big red candle, then obviously use your common sense, do not buy. Okay, then wait for the market to come down to 4300 4295. Yesterday also we discussed 4300 to 4295 is also a good level. In comparison to this, okay, this is a better level, best level. Why? 4300 is a round number psychological support. Moreover, market has also shown support around this area previously. So if market drops also, we can expect 4300, 4295 to provide support to the market. We also have some support around 4310 as well. Already market has tested it 3 to 4 times already, so we are skeptical. Until and unless market takes support, it is hard to predict. Okay, but we can expect 430029 4295 to provide support to the market. And remember 4270, 4 Then 4272, yes, this level is still very much there. Okay, but chances of market coming to 4270, 427, 420, 4270, 4272 is very less. But still they are present. So these are these are the best levels or the best support on the chart of gold where you can look for a buy position, the black lines that I have mentioned here. But if volume is very low, then as a day trader you can look for 30-40 pips bounce around 24-25, this dotted line here. And my dear friends, if you're looking for a reliable forex trading option or trading platform, then you can consider opening your account with Vantage, because many of you, especially from India, are looking for a better option, for a safe option right now for trading. So you can consider opening account with Vantage. It's a multi-regulated broker, one of the biggest forex broker globally. They have more than 5 million, 50 lakh registered users, and you can see they have more than 1000 plus products. I have also shown you their trading platforms as well. Okay, you can trade directly from their own trading platform, the mobile application, the Pro Trader platform. You can also trade directly from TradingView as well. So Vantage is the best solution for you if you're looking for a good trading experience and safety of your capital. So feel free to open your account with Vantage. Okay, all the information is available on their website. Use our referral from the link in the description so that you also get access to our WhatsApp community. The levels we discuss, okay, are valid. Okay, if market goes down after the opening, if market goes up, only two possibilities: market will either go down or market will either go up. So if market goes up, then obviously we can look for a sell around. Remember the level we discussed on Friday? Yes, 66, and the red box at the top. Okay, this red box at the top is still very much valid. If you see market is showing prices action from above, we can look for a sell position around this area. Overall trend of the market is bullish, but here looking for a breakout, okay, or expecting a breakout can be dangerous because the volume is low. To break any level, volume plays a very crucial role. Suppose after buying at 4376 or 4377 after 2030, if market comes down, we will be trapped. So okay, as of now, okay, we are not expecting any breakout. If breakout comes, well and good. Okay, it will be continuing the overall upside and it will be easier for us to trade. But as of now, chances are less. So we are expecting a selling opportunity around 4366 to 4374 area. Okay, because the daily chart you can see, okay, it's showing full of dojis and spinning tops. Okay, so dojis and spinning tops signify indecision in the market. So let's wait and watch. If any news comes out during the weekend, then obviously things will change. Okay, then we will see a different picture, but chances are less because market is in holiday mode. Okay, so nothing more to discuss. Okay, that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.